Ever ponder over the small things that could significantly impact your health and well-being? Today, we're diving into some of those seemingly minor habits that can make a world of difference to your overall health. First on our list is eating a balanced diet. It's not about restrictive eating or cutting out certain food groups, it's about making smart food choices. A balanced diet can help manage weight and lower the risk of chronic diseases. It means filling your plate with diverse foods, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats, each playing a unique role in maintaining your body's health. Next, we talk about water, the elixir of life. The human body is about 60% water, and maintaining the water balance is crucial for numerous bodily functions. So, make sure to hydrate throughout the day, aiming for 8 glasses of water daily. More if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. Regular exercise is another pillar of health. It's not just about keeping your body in shape, but also about releasing endorphins, the feel-good hormones. Whether it's a brisk walk, a yoga session, or a high-intensity workout, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Next up is safe sun protection. While sunlight is a great source of vitamin D, excessive exposure can lead to harmful effects. Always wear sunscreen, even on cloudy days, and try to avoid the sun when it's at its strongest, usually between 10 in the morning and 4 in the afternoon. Sleep, often overlooked, is one of the most important aspects of health. Good sleep hygiene means getting between 7 and 8 hours of sleep every night. It not only boosts your mood but also improves memory, longevity, and both cognitive and physical performance. Strength training and stretching are essential for a well-rounded fitness routine. Strength training builds muscle and boosts your metabolism, while stretching improves flexibility and helps prevent injuries. So, incorporate both into your weekly schedule. Exposure to fresh air and nature is crucial for mental health. A simple walk in the park or spending time in your garden can lower stress levels and boost your mood, so make it a point to step outside every day. Lastly, but certainly not least, incorporate omega-3 fatty acids into your diet. These essential fats are crucial for brain health and can also help reduce inflammation in the body. You can find them in fatty fish, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. In summary, healthy habits are more than just a checklist. They're a way of life. From what we eat to how we move, sleep, and interact with the world around us, each habit contributes to our overall health and well-being. So, take small steps towards embracing these habits and remember, it's always about progress, not perfection. A healthier you is not an overnight miracle, but a journey of consistent efforts. So, embark on this journey today and witness the transformation unfold.